Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to book flight tickets online on China Airlines. So please watch till then to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on China Airlines, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So right here, so you can see if you want to go to China Airlines website, just search for ChinaAirlines.com, and right here you will see this result, so make sure that you go to this website. So as you can see right here, China Airlines one of the platform that you can use, online booking flight platform you can use if you want to have a flight from China Air, or if you're from China. So this is one of the best platform to use. So as you can see, if you go to their website, you can just now uh, book your flight. So you will be asked the type of flight that you want to have, if it's a round trip, one way, or multi city, or stopover. So for example, if you're migrating, well, it's better if you choose one way. But if you want to just visit from China to another country, well, it's up to you. You can do a round trip, but it's not only international flights. You can also book flights within China, local flight from China, and yeah, it's up to you. So now after you choose your preferred flight route, now you can just input the place or where you're coming from and the place where you want to go. So for example, I want to go from Beijing, China. I'm from Beijing and I want to go to Singapore. So yeah, that's it. So after I choose my location and where I'm going to, so now I can choose the date, where would be my departure date and where would be my returning date. So it's up to you. So you can just choose your preferred depart date and your returning date. So yeah, for after choosing your preferred date, you can now fill how many passengers includes in your flight. For example, you're traveling alone, you can just choose one adult. And if you have a child with you, you can just input one child, whatever, like that. So as you can see, this is only a searching filter, so it's up to you. So now you can choose the your preferred cabin or flight type, whether it's a business, premium economy, or economy. It's up to you. So right here, if you have a promo code that you can use for China Airlines to have discounts, and if you have corporate ID, yeah, you can input them right here. So now I can now search my flight based on my search filter that I set right here. So if I click search flights, I will be redirected to another page where, as you can see, so yeah, as you can see, this booking is close to the flight schedule departure time. After the ticket purchase, it may not be possible to complete the boarding or the meal on board in time. So if you agree and accept the above illustration, please continue to purchase the ticket by next. And if not, please return to the home page by back. So as you can see, Chinese passport holders fly with China Airlines or Mandarin Airlines, operating flights from mainland China and transferring via Taiwan to a third country. So please prefer the necessary travel documents such as valid Taiwan travel permit for mainland residents for inspection. For those who transferring from overseas to mainland China via Taiwan are not subject to this restriction. So only if you're from China, you need to have these documents. So make sure that you have these documents if you want to travel from China to another country. So click next, and after that, based on my search filter, I will be shown different kinds of flights available depending on the date that I chose and the location. So as you can see right here, depending on the dates, whether that date have available flights or not. So as you can see, from I chose Saturday, June 21 Saturday, but as you can see from on June 20, June 19, June 18, there are no flights available. And right here, as you can see, on also on each date, they will show you the approximate price for your flight. As you can see on this date, the ticket flight are approximate 4,612 CNY, or the China currency. And yeah, it's up to you if you want to choose more cheaper price. But so as you can see right here, if you go down, so if you scroll down, you will see more details about the flight, what available time of departure available on that date. For example, this is from June 21. So on June 21, there are two available flights. So this one, so you can see the details, Beijing to Singapore, June 21. You will see the total duration of the flight, your departure location, so where you going to depart, and also the station that you're going to pass until you arrive to your destinations, and it correlates the certain amount of duration. So from Beijing to Taipei station, it would be 3 hours and 15 minutes, and after that you will have one stop in Taiwan, Taoyuan International Terminal change, and from Taipei again you would now go to Singapore, and it would take 4 hours and 30 minutes. So it correlates their specific time itself. What would be the time of departure and what would be the time of arrival. So yeah, that's it. You can just close it if you're done, but make sure that you read the details first before agreeing so that you can plan ahead or you can prepare yourself. So yeah, after you're done with that, so as you can see, right here on the right side, you will see the only available types of flight. So as you can see in this date, only business flights are available. There's no economy type. And also there's one seat left each flight. So if you want to choose, for example, let's choose this date, for example, and let's see. So as you can see on this date, there is economy, but on business flight, still they only have one seat left each. So on June 22, there are two flights available, and you can choose this one. And as you can see, if you see this one plus 1 day, it means that uh, you will arrive to your destination the next day. And for plus 2 days, you will arrive to your destination next 2 days. So it correlates it correlates their total duration. So as you can see in this flight right here, that the duration is 28 hours and 15 minutes, while on this one, only 16 hours and 15 minutes. And yes, that's it. So after you're done with this, after choosing, you can now choose your type of flight. So let's choose economy. And right here, you will be shown the three types of that class. So economy basic, economy standard, and economy flex, and they have their own benefits. And one is better than the other, so you just need to choose. So as you can see, this is more expensive, but it offers more good benefits, so it's up to you. So now I'm going to choose this one. So this one is only for departure date. And after I select my departure date, I would now have to choose my returning flight. So this and on this time I'm going to choose my returning flight. So I'm going to return on July 3, Thursday, let's say. So same thing again, as you can see, make sure to see the details before agreeing. So I'm going to choose this one. So this would be the details of the flight returning from Singapore now back to Taipei, and from Taipei back to Beijing itself, back to my homeland, or back to your homeland, China. It also shows their flight number, who operated them, and also the Airbus, the name of the name of the plane itself, the Airbus A321 Neo. So make sure that you remember all of this information. So after that, I'm going to choose economy again, choose this one type of flight, and now after you're done choosing your departure and return flight, you will be redirected to another page where you need to input your information, the passenger information. So right here, as you can see, this is only for clarification. So you can see your summary, your flight summary right here. Yeah, and if you're good with that, just click confirm. So now right here, as you can see, you will need to input your personal information. So the passenger name should be booked in the same order as shown on the government issued document in Roman alphabet. So you need to choose your title, given name, family name. If you have a frequent flyer airline, choose you can just input it, and also the frequent flyer number, and also the contact information. You need to do all of that. So now right here, you would need to choose the additional services. So as you can see, you can select your seat, but sometimes the selection of seat is not available, and you can only select your seats at the date of the departure. Yeah, right here. And for example, if you want to pay for excess baggage, you can do so, but it would add a extra fare for your ticket. And for the meals, if you want to add meals and if you want to add special assistance, you can do so by clicking them right here. So now, after you're done with that, just click checkout and you will be redirected to the payment where you just need to pay for your ticket. And yeah, after paying your ticket, you need to choose the type of payment. And after paying your ticket, the China Airlines will now review your booking, and they will confirm it. They will send an email, or they will send a notification to your contact information that you set, and right there they will say that your booking is now confirmed. And actually you can see they will ask you to borrow your required documents at the time of departure so that they can verify it. So make sure that you have all of that. And yes, that's it. So after that, you're now booked a flight from China Airlines. And yeah, that's how we do it. And also that's it for this video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.